GSF-90 Fast and Standard Sintering Furnace, Unboxing and Quick Start. Welcome to the GSF-90 Fast and Standard Sintering Furnace. In this video, we'll cover the basic setup and operation. Before unpacking, check the carton for any shipping damage. Remove the furnace and inspect it for any visible damage. Remove the protective film and verify that all accessories are included. Remove and check all accessories. Firing platform, fast crucible, perforated heat-resistant plate, antenna, sintering beads, crucible tongs, fast crucible scoop. Turn on the power switch, tap the down icon to lower the firing platform. Tap the P button in the lower left corner to access the sintering programs. The GSF-90 supports up to 60 programmable sintering curves. It comes with 10 preset GUSROM zirconia programs. Programs 1, 3, and 5 are for ST, 4D, and 3D zirconia, respectively, 415 units. Programs 2, 4, and 6 are for the same zirconia series, 4514 units. Programs 7, 10 are fast sintering programs for the zirconia series and are recommended for single crowns only. Language. Tap Language to select the system language. The furnace supports 12 languages. Other languages can be requested before shipment. Settings. In Settings, you can view the usage count and real-time power consumption, and adjust the backlight time. Temperature calibration. Use temperature calibration to manually adjust the furnace temperature. Scheduled start. Use scheduled start to set a delayed start of up to 12 hours. History temperature. History temperature lets you review previous firing temperature records. After the firing platform is fully lowered, center the perforated heat-resistant plate with even clearance around it. Single crowns. Level 2 3 layers of sintering beads. Place crowns occlusal side down to prevent them from catching on the beads during shrinkage. Bridges. Place posterior bridges occlusal side down, with sufficient spacing to prevent sticking. Place anterior bridges in sisal side down, preferably in a vertical position. Full arch restorations. Use a thin layer of sintering beads to allow movement and reduce sticking. Fully loaded crucible. Place longer bridges around the outer area, following the restoration shape and maintaining sufficient spacing. With multiple crucibles stacked, the maximum firing capacity is 70-100 restorations per cycle, depending on the restoration type and loading configuration. Center the crucible on the firing platform. Multiple crucibles can be stacked as needed. Replace the beads when contaminated or disco layered, typically every 3 months. After sintering, use the crucible tongs to remove the crucible. Place it on the metal base plate and allow it to cool naturally. For temperature calibration, use a calibration block, sold separately. After standard sintering, measure the block size and adjust the temperature offset according to the reference chart. 60P is the self-cleaning program. Place a clean, unsintered waste zirconia block or activated carbon inside the chamber, then run 60P. This helps absorb contaminants and maintain a clean firing chamber. When the furnace is not in use, raise the firing platform into the chamber to help keep the chamber clean. Your GSF-90 is now ready for daily operation. Thank you for watching.